Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's create our custard base by mixing 1.5 tablespoons of custard powder with 3 tablespoons of milk until smooth. You want to make sure there are absolutely no lumps. This is crucial because lumps now mean grainy ice cream later. You'll know it's perfect when the mixture looks like thick paint. Now, pour the remaining milk, about 1.25 cups, and 1/2 to 3/4 cup of granulated sugar into a saucepan. Heat this mixture gently, stirring occasionally until you can no longer feel sugar granules when you rub a little between your fingers. That's your checkpoint for perfectly dissolved sugar. Here comes a tricky part. Gradually add your custard slurry to the warm milk sugar mixture. The key is to keep stirring continuously while adding it. A common mistake is adding it all at once, which can create lumps. Pour it in a thin stream while whisking constantly. Think of it as if you're drawing tiny circles with your whisk. Keep cooking this mixture on medium to low heat until it thickens. You'll know it's ready when the custard coats the back of a spoon, and when you run your finger through it, it leaves a clean line that doesn't run. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once thickened, immediately remove the pan from heat and cover the surface directly with plastic wrap or parchment paper. This prevents that annoying skin from forming on top. Let it cool completely to room temperature, which usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Time for the cream. Take your 1 cup of cold, heavy whipping cream and whip it until you get soft peaks. The trick here is to stop when your whisk leaves trails in the cream that gently fall back into themselves. If you lift your whisk, the peak should softly bend over like a lazy wave. Now comes my favorite part, folding the whipped cream into our cooled custard mixture. Use gentle, sweeping motions with your spatula, cutting down through the middle and folding over the sides. You'll know you're doing it right when you see streaks of white cream slowly disappearing into the custard. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and food coloring if you're using it. Mix these in gently. We don't want to deflate all that air we've worked into the cream. The mixture should look smooth and have a consistent color throughout. Finally, pour your mixture into a freezer-safe container. Pro tip: a metal container will help it freeze faster than plastic. Cover the surface with plastic wrap before putting the lid on, then freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight. You'll know it's ready when it's firm but still creamy when you scoop it. If it's too hard, let it sit at room temperature for 5 minutes before serving. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.